In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Messenger notes not showing. If your Messenger notes feature has suddenly disappeared, or you're not seeing notes from your friends, don't worry. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through several practical checks and fixes you can try on your phone. Follow along step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly what to look for and what to adjust to get notes working again. First, open the Messenger app on your device and go to your main chat list. At the top of this screen, where you normally see your friends' profile pictures, notes will appear above those icons when the feature is working and available in your region. If you don't see anything there, don't panic yet. Sometimes the issue is as simple as using an outdated version of the app. Head over to your device's app store, search for Messenger, and check if there is an update available. If you see an update button, tap it and wait for the installation to finish. Updating ensures you have the latest features, bug fixes, and compatibility improvements that can affect notes. Once it's updated, reopen Messenger and check the top of your chat list again. If notes still aren't showing, the next thing to check is your internet connection. Notes rely on a stable connection to load properly. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or briefly turning airplane mode on and then off to reset your connection. After that, reopen the app and see if anything has changed. You should also make sure your account is fully logged in and synced. In Messenger, tap your profile icon in the corner and scroll through the settings to confirm nothing looks out of the ordinary. If things seem stuck, you can log out of Messenger, then log back in. This refreshes your account session and can trigger features like notes to reappear. Another helpful step is to completely close and relaunch the app. On most phones, that means swiping Messenger away from your recent apps, so it's not running in the background. Then opening it again from your home screen. This clears minor glitches that sometimes prevent new features from loading correctly. Finally, keep in mind that Messenger rolls out features like notes gradually, and they may not be available to every account or region at the same time. If you've updated the app, checked your connection, refreshed your login, and restarted Messenger, it's possible the feature just hasn't reached your account yet. In that case, give it a little time and check back periodically. That's how to troubleshoot Messenger notes when they're not showing.